Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 68 Plymouth Barracuda. Now this is a very rare option car, one of only 154 ever made, as it's a factory notchback car and features the Formula S 383 4-speed. Now if you got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway as well. As you look across the front, you'll notice this front bumper appears to be original and is in phenomenal condition, along with the rest of your stainless here on the front end. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the sides, and you'll see that this 68 has some of the best panel fit I've ever seen. Now as you come around the driver's side, you can take a closer look here at the gaps of the doors and notice they're all even and symmetrical. You can also see that all this stainless here is beautiful as well. But before we go on around, I want you to come on up, we'll take a look at the interior. On the inside, this car features the bucket seats and the black, which is a beautiful complement to the exterior color scheme. Looking across the dash, you can see that it is in excellent condition as well, along with all the gauges in stainless. Now this car even has the working solid state radio in it, and as you come on around, you can see that the door panels, carpet, headliner, and of course the seat covers are in phenomenal condition. Now that we've been on the inside of this car, we'll continue around the outside. You can see how amazing that door shuts and fits. And as we come across the back, you can see this rear bumper is in excellent condition, along with all of your stainless here around the taillights, and the lenses are phenomenal as well. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the passenger side, and you can see that this body is straight as an arrow. As you come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back so that way you can get a good appreciation for just how stunning this car is. As you can see, it's done in the monotone white, which is the factory option. It's got a brilliant shine to it, and it's accented by the black stripes down the side. It's also got the 14-inch steel wheels with the hubcaps, and you'll also notice we got the red streak tires. Looking across the hood, you can see we got the Formula S 383 hood treatment, along with the in-hood turn signals, which are working. Now if you want to come on up, we'll take a look at the driveline of this 68. Under the hood, it's got a gorgeous detail and looks just like it would have when it was new on the showroom floor. Now this car does feature the correct 383 engine that's set up with the correct heads, correct intake, and the 4426 Carter carb. Now you can see it's dressed with the chrome valve covers and the Super Commando 383 air cleaner. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this 68, I'll get it pulled around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm gonna get this Formula S up on a lift, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. Now that we have this Barracuda up on the lift, we can take a closer look at the floors, frame, and the driveline. As you can see, the gas tank has been replaced, and you'll also notice that it looks to have all the original pans that are in excellent condition. It does feature the factory undercoating, and we can see that the frame looks amazing as well. Under the front, all of the bushings and ball joints look great, and it does have disc brakes up front as well. The original 383 is mated to the matching numbers 4-speed trans that goes out back to the 489 8 3/4 inch rear end that is a sure grip with around a 323 gear. For exhaust, it has the correct manifolds with dual pipes and the Dynamax mufflers with the correct tips going out the rear valance. Now before we get this 68 down and on the highway, let's take another close look at how amazing not only the frame is, but also the floor pans and the rockers.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.